start recording first. Okay, so here I am on Tally Prime. This is home page. Okay, and I'm gonna click on voucher. Okay. After that, click on purchase to create a purchase. After that, here we have to include an invoice number, because whenever we receive a bill, there is an invoice number written on that particular bill. I'll just show you some practice bills that we have already created. Just wait. Yeah, here we are. So we have one purchase voucher and we are going to use this. Okay, here we have one invoice which is SAISALE 001, and I'm gonna copy this and write down here. Okay, after that, if I click on party account name, I have to create a ledger of that company. Okay, so what we have to do is we have a shortcut key of Alt C. C for create, and Alt C key is used to create anything in Calipari. If you are on a party account, you have to create a ledger to maintain all transactions with that particular company. For example, if you are buying products from a company and you are selling products to them, there will be a lot of transactions between you two parties. Okay, you will manage all that stuff, that how much sales you made with the business and how much purchases you have made with that particular business. And that's why we have to create a ledger. You can take a simple example of shopkeepers. Usually shopkeeper write down for people's name on their red color book, and they manage all the transaction when somebody buy products from them. It could be on credit. Okay, it's not necessary that they will pay on the same time. They sometimes buy products on credit or some ਉਧਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਚ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਧਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਉਧਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਚ ਉਧਾਰ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ okay. Okay, so if you are buying product उधार buy कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, and that should also be written in that particular page. That's why we create ledgers. Now I'm gonna click on Alt C to create a party account. Okay, so here I have a party name. Is the purchase voucher? So I'm gonna create a name for this XYZ Trader Company, and I'll paste this name here. You will see a company name on your bill. Okay, you don't have to worry. Just click on enter. After that, here we have an option to choose the company account. Whenever we deal with the business, okay, if a business is related to selling products to our, if we buy products from a company, that company is our creditor, because we नहीं ਹੁੰਦਾ borrowing होगी उधारी. Thank you. So if we buy products from a company, it means we are crediting our money to their account. Okay, you know the debit credit rule. Yeah, so if we are buying products from a company, it means we are crediting our money to that company. That's why we create that kind of company into creditors. Okay. All the company that sell products to us, okay, all that company that are we can say shops where we buy products from, they will be our credit. Yeah, all the companies who we pay money. So now I'll click on sundry creditor. After that, here we have some normal details of a company like address and their state. Same according to our company when we create a company. Okay, we add all that stuff. That is completely same here. Okay, so I'm gonna click on enter. I'm not going to enter all these details because you already know how to enter, fill that details, right? And if you don't know, you can try it once. Okay, so after that, here we have a GST, and we can include this GST number from our invoice. Just copy and paste. If you have a hard copy or a paper, you can write it down. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste this to save some time. I'll paste it. After that, this is showing it that it's a invalid number because it's not registered. It's basically ChatGPT generated task. Okay. After that, I'm gonna click on enter. I'm not going to set some GST details for that company because we are not done with GST. I'll click on accept. After that, here we have a option of receipt. We will not do receipt note yet. Just press on enter. Okay, we will do this specially separate. Okay, and here we have to create a purchase ledger. Okay, when we buy products from a company, from any company, right, we create ledger for them. When we something same we do with the purchases, we create a particular ledger. We will use all the purchases that we have made in a particular business, so that at the end of the financial year it will be easy for the company to manage what are our purchases, how much money we have spent on our purchases, and how much money we have earned through our sales. Okay, that's why we create purchase ledgers, and it could be different in different type of banks. It could be according to our habit. If you are just maintaining purchases, you can create a single purchase ledger. Okay, but if you are maintaining purchases from every different, to save your taxation, to keep you can say a hierarchical record of all your accounts, you can do both of things. Okay, and let me just tell you this on MS Word so that this will be more easier. Okay, so if there is a business, they can do two things. First one is they can create a single purchase account. Wait, एक करना है एरर आ रही है एक बार यूट्यूब पे सर्च कर इम्पॉसिबल ये वंश इन्हें तो एमएस वर्ड नहीं जा रहा चला के देखो if we have a single purchase, ठीक है, so all the purchases will be included in this single account, right, all the purchases, and you will have a single over. Usually we have limits on different type of account for taxations, right. Let's suppose we have a limit of 7 lakh on single account. So if our earnings are more than 7 lakh, we can use different accounts, right. That's why there are this is a hypothetical example, don't take it real, that must not be a real example. Okay, that's just a hypothetical. So if you have a single purchase account, you will manage all your purchases from that only ledger. Okay, but if you create different ledger, different purchase account from different type of purchases, okay, different type of purchases, just like purchase from SBI account. Okay, purchase from SBI account. Second type of purchase could be purchase from HDFC account. Okay, so you can also do this. That's depends upon you that how you wanna manage the complete finance of it. Okay, so here I am going to create a simple purchase ledger. I'll click on Alt C to create, and then I'll click on purchase. You have to do one important thing, which is that your purchase account should be, purchase ledger should be under a purchase account. Should purchase account. Okay, so I'm gonna choose purchase account here. After that, you don't have to change anything, just one thing, which is goods. Change type of product into goods. After that, just press enter, accept. Here we have to create stock that we have purchased. Which key do we use to create any kind of stuff? Which is shortcut key to create? Alt plus C, right? Here we need stocks. We have not created any kind of stock right now. We will create them by clicking on Alt plus C. Okay. Now I'm gonna click on Alt plus C. I'll click a stock here. What are the stocks? LED monitor. After that, if you wanna create a stock group here, stock group just like electronics and could be grocery, Okay, you can create that stock group, but we will not do this right now because we are on a beginner. Now I'm gonna click on enter. After that, here is an important thing of units. You have to create units. If it's in kg, you have to create kg unit. If it is in pieces, you have to create pieces unit, right? Because we sell products in units, right? So that's why you have to create a unit. Which key do we use for create? Alt plus C. So we will create unit by clicking on Alt plus C, and here we have to add a symbol. Symbol is like PCS for pieces, kg for kilograms. It's just like that. I'm gonna click on pieces. After that, small formal name, I'm writing down TV piece. Okay. After that, unit quantity code. Basically, the symbol you are using, PCS. Okay. PCS, and we don't have LEDs in 2.5 piece, 4.9 piece. That's why we will go with a zero decimal piece. If a product is in kg or something like that, we can create decimal places. But if it is not, we don't need. And I'm just click on enter. After that, you don't have to do anything else. Just accept. And here you have to mention the quantity. Okay. What is the quantity of this TV? 5. You don't need to add HSN code. What is the price? 7,000. I'm click on 7,000. Okay. So here we don't have the discount option, but we can see a discount here. So to create a discount, just click on configure, and then is it visible here? Okay. We can click on show more options, and then we will look for discount option. Here it's a discount option. You just need to write down yes here, and then this will be available. Sorry, I'll just show it this to you. First of all, let me just enable the discount. Ledger, payroll थोड़ा ledger. हाँ, how to create a ledger ते बता. Purchase ledger, sales ledger, sundry creditor, sundry debtor, ते tax ledger आ. बस. जे 50 pages ना हो फिर अपन increase कर. 1 second. Let me just create this ledger again. Out. Company, feature. Yeah, sorry. Here we have an option of discount, company, feature. Actually, discount was visible over there, but it was not enabled. I forgot to enable. I already told you that I have reset my laptop. So here you have to add the discount. Just click on yes. We have a discount option here. You have to click on yes, and then we will change the company detail again. This will be enabled to your computer. Now I'm going to click on voucher. After that, I have to make it sure that purchase should be written over there. After that, we have to include the supplier invoice number. Here is the invoice number. Copy and paste this. Here we have a party account name. I already have created a party, so I will use their name. We don't have a receipt note, so we will just click on enter. And then here I have already created a purchase ledger, so I will use that already created ledger. And now I have already created a product of LED monitor. I will use this, and here I have to add a quantity. which is 5, price 7,000. Here I have to mention discount percentage, which is 5%. I will write 5 and this will be written. What is the total bill? 33,250. Is it same with this? Now I'm going to click on enter. Here I have to mention discount 5%. Okay, just write 5. This will be right written. That how much discount we have. After that, if you want to add new stock, you can press Alt plus C. Okay, but I am just going with the single stock. Otherwise I have to write end of list. The first option is end of list. Okay, we can click on this, enter, enter. Here we have to just enter, press enter. If we have some credit due date, if somebody is buying product on credit, they are not paying the money on the time they are buying it, so we can add the due date. Okay, I am writing down 5 and that's it. Okay, here we have the purchase voucher. Okay, sorry, no worry, just try to do this once and then you will understand. Okay.